Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are building a log cabin. Starting out with these pieces, we're going to be building a 12 by 10 base using these wooden support beams, support posts, and I'm measuring them out using these tile plate pieces. We're now going to be moving on to the front of the house where we're going to be adding some of these pieces. I've been using them a lot in quite a few of my MOCs recently, and I really think they add something special and nice just to the outside of the MOC. I'm going to be adding that over there. On the side, we're going to be adding these pre-made window pieces using light brown masonry bricks. Nougat, I think is the color's name. Masonry bricks. On the back here, we're going to be adding, front here, we're going to be adding some of these sand green pieces on top just to add some detail, some texture, so that it's not just browns and grays the whole time. A lot of this MOC is going to be mostly brown and grey, so I think these green elements do add something quite nice to the build. Moving on, we're going to be using these cobblestone techniques, followed by some more sand, another layer of sand green. This is the back of the house, and I'm not going to be putting as much detail into it, but I am going to be making some effort just to make it look nice, because I do intend on getting some nice pictures of it from all angles later. Moving on to the sides, we are going to be using these pieces. Then I'm going to later modify with some brown wood pieces that they look a bit more like this over here. These with the side pieces. There we go, we're going to add that, and we're going to add that. We did this on both sides, so don't worry about that. It's done on both sides now. Moving on to the front, we're going to be adding more inverted masonry bricks. Sorry, flipped around masonry bricks with some of the same color pieces down below. We can actually move those out of the way. I've decided to actually go with some stone in the end. There we go. We're going to be adding one of these picture frames to the back. Oh, sorry, broke my MOC. We're going to be adding this on the other side, add some more of these. Overall, the effect I think was quite nice with the cobblestone and then the wood at the bottom. Next up, we're adding this door, which, to be fair, took me a while to design, but I think it looks really good. I'm very proud of how the design turned out. We're now going to be adding what I'm going to be calling the cement of the build, just a bunch of these plates on top. These are going to be going all the way around, and they're just going to be there to give some structural support to the entire build, followed by sweet tiling time. I got to create Cheesy Brick Studios again. There's the interior. As I said, not a whole lot to look at. Now we're going to be adding the roof, which I built separately, and there we go. Hope you guys like the build. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I think it's one of my best houses yet, and I'll see you in my next video. Iron